Hi guys, welcome to ASA Technical. In today's video, I am going to show you how to update your graphics driver or how to manually add a legacy display adapter in Windows using Device Manager. Whether you are facing problem with older hardware or a system that just won't recognize your display adapter, then don't worry. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's get started. Before moving forward to this advanced method, I will suggest you to try this basic method, which is highly recommended. However, if the basic method is not working in your case, then you can try this advanced method. To do this, simply right click on the Start menu and choose Device Manager from the list. This is where we will manage all the hardware connected to your computer. Once you are in the Device Manager, look to the top of the window and click on Action tab. In the drop-down menu, you will see an option called Add Legacy Hardware. Go ahead and click that. This will open the Add Hardware wizard, which is a tool designed to help you manually install hardware that Windows might not detect automatically. Now click Next to get started. Now you will see two options. One to search for the hardware automatically and another to manually select from a list. Since we know we are dealing with a legacy display adapter, so we will choose the second option. Install the hardware that I manually select from a list and click on Next. Next, you will see a list of hardware types. Scroll down until you find display adapter and select it. After that, click on Next. Here, you will be asked to choose manufacturer and model of your display adapters. If your specific adapter is listed, then select it. If it's not listed, or if you have the driver files saved on your computer, click on Help Desk and browse to the folder where your drivers are located. After selecting the correct display adapter or providing the driver, just click on Next and follow the prompts to complete the installation. Okay, as you can see, the Microsoft generic display adapter driver is successfully added. Once the installation is complete, it's always a good idea to restart your computer. This ensures that the hardware is properly recognized and that the driver is fully loaded. If not loaded, now go to your graphics driver manufacturer website. Such as for NVIDIA graphics driver, go to NVIDIA drivers download. For AMD graphics driver, go to AMD graphics driver download. And for Intel graphics drivers, go to Intel graphics driver download page. On the site, locate the model of your graphics card and download the correct driver for your particular graphics card. I have already downloaded the specific driver for my graphics card, so I am not doing it again. After downloading, open the driver folder. Next, open the graphics folder. Now go to address bar and copy the graphics driver folder full path location. Now right click on the start button, then select Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Now right click on the Microsoft generic display adapter. Then browse my computer for driver software. Select browse to locate the driver update file you downloaded, or you can click on Help Disk button and paste the graphics driver folder full path location that you have copied. Once you have located your graphics driver model, select it and click on Next. Now Windows will begin to install your new driver. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Okay, as you can see, the display driver was successfully installed. Now restart your computer. And that's it, you have successfully added display adapter in Windows. So, I hope this simple guide was helpful for you. If you have any question or any advanced guide, then please let us know. Please like, comment and share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.